What's up, YouTube? This is the Barber Illuminati one more time. Hey, this time I got a quick tutorial. Nothing fancy. It's just a basic neck taper. That's it. You know, I have to stay active. As a matter of fact, I'm using my cell phone. Nothing fancy. We're gonna do a quick neck taper here, and we just wrap it up. Once again, this is a Barber Illuminati production. Yada yada yada. Find me on Instagram. The whole shebang. Anyway, let me adjust the camera. We're gonna get going. That's it. I'm not sure what the quality is going to be, but hey, it doesn't hurt to give it a try. I'm still adjusting the camera. Bear with me. If you're new to the channel, the right thing to do is to subscribe right now. By the way, thank you to all my new subscribers. I appreciate it. Channel is growing somehow, someway. Alright, let's get going. If you're new to the channel, like I said, subscribe right now. Quick neck taper, all detachable blades, let's go. This video is being recorded at Marvelous Barber School, LLC, in Waukegan, Illinois. We are not hard to find. Boom. All right. As usual. All right. Guess what I'm going to be using? I'm going to be using the Oster Octane. If you saw my previous video, you would know all about it. First guideline is done with the OA. The tape is kind of high, by the way. Triple zero. Five zero. Boom. First guideline done. Now I'm moving on. Just to reduce the bulk in the back of the neck, I'm going to use my largest guard, which is my 3.5 metal. Just to reduce the bulk, and then I'm going to gradually fade until I get to the connect to the first guideline. Anyway, this is my 3.5. Let's go. Like I said, this is a high taper. This is my number 2 blade under the 3.5 at an angle. Get in there. One and a half. One eight. One. Oh, eight. Still have the OA on. All right, I'm going to repeat some of the steps, starting with the 1A. Now I want the lower portion of the blend to be a whole lot smoother, cleaner, better. all the areas. Yep, I got the 1A on, using the front of the blade. I'm not digging in. The 1. Right now I'm focusing mostly in the section that connects the first guideline to the second guideline. I'm going to focus on that and then give my attention to the upper area of the blend. Easy there. This is my 1, like I said. Alright, now I'm going to give my attention to the upper section of the blend right about here. Touch it up a bit. That's it. Alright, this time I'm going to use my texturizing blade. This is my number 4. There's a little bit of bulk right about here. So I'm going to take care of that right quick, and that's it. Here we go. Right to it. And then I'm gonna, behind it, I'm gonna put my 3.5. By the way, if you want to take my all detachable blade class for 3 sessions, for 3 days, mostly Saturdays and Sundays, very affordable. It's $1,000 for 3 sessions, 3 days, 3 weekends. If you're interested, you can find me at Marvelous Barber School LLC, Barber Illuminati. This is my 2 blade under the 3.5. I'm going to do a little bit of repeat on the with the 3.5, mostly in the corners. All right, YouTube, this tip is sick. Wow. Wow. All right, if you watched the video all the way this far, you are truly a true fan. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Once again, this is a Barber Illuminati production, Barber Illuminati.